Hey traders, welcome back to my new video. If you are my community member, you may know I started 10k two-step platform challenge with Bull Waves Prime and I was completed the phase 1. After that, I updated a video on my YouTube channel. Here you can see I passed phase 1 in 10 days because there is a minimum trading days is 10 for phase 1, phase 2 as well. And then I got the phase 2 credentials immediately within 2 minutes. After that I started trading on phase 2 and then I was in big drawdown. I did not update of phase 2 trading. So this is the video of phase 2 trading and you can see I successfully passed the phase 2 as well and now I am funded. Here you can see funded accounts. This option was unavailable until I got funded. Once I passed the phase 2 and verify my KYC and then they provide me the funded account within 24 hours and the option is available. Here you can see. Here you can see my KYC status. I completed the KYC. I passed phase 1, phase 2 and completed the KYC, and when they provided my funded account, the funded trader option is eligible as well and the option is available here. So this is a very good system. I really loved. If you see my phase 2 account trading stats, you will see my average loss, average win and win rate as well and profit factors. So here you can see the equity curve. I was down almost 3%. Then I recovered and hit the target here. Here is my win rate only 42%. You can see. But if you see the phase 1 win rate, it was 56% and my average loss, average win and the profit factors. Actually, my strategy was same for phase 1 and phase 2. Also the risk, but the market condition was not the same. That's why my win rate is ups and down. But I was stick to my rule and I hit the target. So here you can see. And then I got the funded account. It's 6 days running and I am down 1.5%. Here you can see. And here you can see my win rate is 26% only. Just because of the last week was a very choppy and the market condition was very tight, but I controlled my risk, decreased my risk when I saw the market condition is not good. That's why still I am in the game. I will recover this 1.5% this week and hopefully I will gain some profit. After 15 days of my first trade of the funded account, I will be eligible to pay out. So more 9 days in my hand to recover this loss and gain some profit to get the payouts. Last Friday I was almost recovered my account, but I can't close the trade in profit due to the news event. Here you can see the Friday's news event. It was core PCE price index and I was in trade. This platform is not allowed news trading, but I was in trade almost 1 hour before the news. Here you can see this was the news candle. I was in long position on Bitcoin from here and my TP was here. The market was going good generally. I was almost 2% profit here. That means almost $200. So I was 2% down on my funded account. But due to the news event, I can't close the trade here because there have a 3 minutes before and after trade placing rules in this platform. When 3 minutes is over after the news, market was almost there. I was in 1% profit, but I thought market will go up because of the market going in the direction. So I did not close. Then suddenly market coming down. When I saw the market is going forcefully down, then I closed the trade with only $60. So that's why I can't able to recover my losses and still I am in 1.5% down on my funded account. But no problem. I am confident that this week I will recover and close the week with profit inshallah. So this was my Bull Waves Prime 10k two-step funded account update. If I get 100 likes in this video, I will reveal my trading strategy and each and every trade breakdown. Trading with this platform, I am getting very good experience. This is a very good platform with tight spread and MT5 account and the trading environment and dashboard as well. Very clear and transparent and their trading rules helping to improve my prop firm trading. So I will suggest beginners to advanced to try this prop firm and definitely you will get better experience as well as improve your trading skills. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.